Hello everybody, so I'm back in the video, and today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can actually get Android on your iOS device. So before we get into that, I want to give a huge shout out to the King of Games. If you guys want to be shouted out in the next video, all you guys have to do is just drop a like on the video, hit that subscribe button, and comment something positive in the comment section below. So for this, you guys can see we have the full UI right here. This is not just like icons that are just like on my iOS home screen. This is actually like the full legit Samsung. We can go to the settings application. Fortunately, you can't really access any of the apps or anything like that because it is a test. It's basically so for anyone who is on iPhone and wants to see how it would be like being on an Android device and giving you guys like the full test. So at the bottom right here, we have like the little Android bar right here where we can go to home screen, go back, and there's this option as well. I don't really know much about Android. I never really owned an Android device, but you guys can test it out right here. It gives you some like text messages as well. And if you guys want to get it, I'm sure you guys have to do that right now. So the first thing you guys want to do is go to your Safari page, and you want to go to the link down below in the description. It's going to be itest.nz. And once you guys are here, it's just going to ask you to tap on the share button and add the icon to your home page. So tap on the share button, scroll down and tap on where it says add to home screen, and then click on add. And then you guys see the new icon on your homepage called Samsung iTest. So we can open that up. And then from here, it's going to say you're about to get a little taste of Samsung without changing phones. Click on next, and it says we can't replicate every function, but you should be quickly see that there's nothing daunting about switching to the other side. So watch out for text message with hints on the best stuff to check out. So if you guys saw earlier on the video, I was getting a bunch of just random text messages, and they're just kind of like tips and information for you guys. So you won't be able to use, like I said, like certain applications. So for example, if we go to the next page, you go to social media, it just gives you this little preview message saying that all your apps will be available on Samsung as well. So it's just pretty cool how we can actually get this. You actually have the option to change themes as well. If you go to the settings app, you go into themes, and then there's a bunch of themes you guys can actually click right here. So if we want this cute theme, we can click on this, apply, and it's going to apply the theme. And there you guys have it. We have that on our home screen. So if you want to go back to your iOS like actual home screen, you just swipe up like as would of an application, and you're going to be back on your iOS home screen. So that's basically it for this video. Hope you guys did enjoy this one. If you guys did, make sure you guys drop a like on it, hit that subscribe button and that post notification bell. See you guys in the rest of the video. That's basically it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.